taking a video.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are. I can see it.
Tori, the day I'm corrected by a cat. I swear to God.
Shut up.
Make me shut up, kitty cat.
No, I can tell it's on video. There's a light in the front. Would you like to check? Yeah. Good job.
You're a fucking bitch, Tori.
Turn it off.
You turn it off.
No, you have the camera.
So we went from porno shots to porno films.
Story of her life.
See that, Jen? The title of this one, Cat Dog 2.
Somebody needs to clear up the litter box.
Okay.
Oh! Oh, Tommy!
Turn it off.
I will turn this off when you die.
That's what she said.